Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Braintree Payments in 2025. Let's get started. So to begin, head over to the Braintree website. You'll see the options to either log in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, just click on sign up. Now you'll be asked for some basic information. Start by entering your first name and last name. Next, enter your company name. For this example, I'll just put Tech Tutor. After that, enter your email address. Make sure it's a valid one, and as you'll need to confirm it later. Now you can select the sandbox option, which is perfect for testing purpose. Just click on it and you're almost there. Once you have filled everything out, hit submit. You'll receive an email in your inbox. Open it up and click on the link to activate your account. This will take you straight to the login page. And that's it. You'll set up with the Braintree payments. You can now start integrating payments with ease. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.